All right, today a lot of you have been wondering, ask me like, can I make ramen noodles with a PEEP? Okay, you got these, this is a PEEP right here. It just somehow got into my ramen cooker bowl. Which reminds me, check the description part of the page. I'm gonna leave a link to where you can find one of these rapid ramen cookers. Amazing cookers. Make a lot of ramen noodles with this thing. And right here I have ramen noodles. This flavor is called This is a flavor that's really spicy that I'm going to make with the PEEP. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the ramen noodle and I'm going to place the ramen noodle in there. And then I'm going to take the seasoning package, open it up, and I'm just going to sprinkle it on the side. It's red flavor. This is the spicy flavor. It's a well-known type of sauce. It's called I'm going to add the rest of it to get a little bit up on the PEEP. And then basically I'm just going to add water to the line. Make sure you get all the seasoning on there to the line. And then I'm just going to put in the microwave for about 3.5 minutes. Let's see how it turns out. All right, the ramen noodles have cooked, and if you look, the PEEP right here, it's kind of melted down, and it just looks like a piece of melted cheese. And it adds to the flavor of the ramen noodles. So I'm just going to stir it a little bit, get the seasoning, and it actually gives a nice little hint of sweetness to go along with the spiciness of the spicy sauce. It's actually really good. Try this out. Let me know what you think. It's a great recipe, especially, okay? Thanks a lot for watching.